Okay, so for this exercise, look at SST 7b lookup function, and you go to SST 7b practice. So you go to this practice. Okay, so 7b SST practice. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to save it as your name. After you have done that, then you need to go to in cell C2, enter a function to look up. So the keyword is enter a function to look up. So this will tell you that this is actually a VLOOKUP. Okay, then they are asking you for the monthly basic charges. Where's the monthly basic charges? You see this table? It's a monthly basic charges. So in one sentence, there is actually two things that you can, there's two hints already. One is to look up and the other one is this table. Okay, so we are going to do that. We are going to look up for what? The mobile plan subscribed by the staff. Okay, so we're going to go to this, and then you see this person, this staff, takes a mobile A. So how much is the basic charges? So you have to look up. So you use a VLOOKUP of this that I want to look up for, but I want to look it up in this table. Select the whole table, and I will look up for, because it's asking for basic charges. Basic charges is the second column, and false. Okay, so I've gotten this, but in the next question it will say that enter a formula that looks up a function to look up the extra charges in the monthly plan table and multiply it by the extra data used to show the extra data used by SD201. So it means that you need to look up again, but you need to look up now for the extra charges. Okay, then you need to multiply it by the extra data used. So he used up extra data too. So I must find the extra data first. How much is it per data times this? Okay. That means I'm going to explain it here. So it's equals to, let's look up how much is it if you will be to, if this person were to be charged. Okay, so I'm under still the data A, right? Okay, let's look at it. In this table, how much will he be charged if he uses 1 GB? So it will column 3 instead. Okay. Okay, so he'll be charged $5. You see? So correct. He will charge $5, but now he uses two data. So I need to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 means times 2. So he is actually charged $10. Okay, so in this case, they want you to enter a formula to calculate the total monthly charges. How to calculate the total monthly charges? Your total monthly charges is equals to your basic charge plus whatever extra that you use. Okay, so you can then copy it down. However, be careful, because you need to make sure that it doesn't shift, because now they will ask you to copy the rest of the formula, right? Sorry, rest of the formula. Okay, so now you want to copy. Okay, when you copy, you realize this is what happens. Why? Why does this happen? It's because you have not locked the data. Look at it, it keeps shifting. So let's lock the data for all the ones that we have done for our okay, so this is a lookup, and copy it down, drag it down. Okay, looks good. This one I have not locked the data, so I'm going to lock the data as well. So function F4 and function F4. Okay, so then I can drag this down. You can double click it or you can drag it down. It's still the same. Okay, so this is the extra data charges. You can even test it out. Okay, for plan C. Plan C is actually $5.45, but because he used 3 GB, so it's times 3. So actually it's $5.45 times 3, so you get $13.50. In this case, you can just drag this down and you fill it out. Okay, so this is how you do your practice. Now the question says you have to put it in currency to 2 decimal places. So we have taught you how to do the currency, right? So this is anything to do with money is under currency. So you go the dollar sign, but it's accounting, it's not right. So you go under currency. Okay, I'll do it one more time. Or you can straight away go to this top part and currency. Okay, so that's how you get the currency. In H8, enter the text updated on. Okay, so in H8, where is H8? This is H, and let's go down to 8 here. So H8, let's put updated on just to type the word. And it says enter a function to display the current date and time. In this case, we need to put a date and time, so the formula will be, instead of equals to date, it will be equals now, because you want the date and time of it. Okay, so this is how you do it, and you save your work.